Hi guys, I want to give you a couple of options for logging on to Fronter. The first option is logging on from home. This is the external website for West Cheshire College, and if you want to log on to Fronter from home you can click on this icon here and it will bring up the Fronter page. If you're inside the college during a lesson and you bring up the college intranet page, you can click onto this icon here, Fronter, and it'll take you straight to the login page. You'll be given your username and password by your tutor, and if you haven't got it you can just go to a reception desk. In this case I'll put mine in. And it will bring you to this front interface page. Now usually it takes you straight to the course that you're attending. If it doesn't, or you need to access another page, you need to click on this icon here, which is Rooms. Click on Rooms. Now I've got all my favourites saved here for easy access, but if you haven't got any rooms saved here at all, go to Display All Rooms and it will bring the full list of rooms for the whole college that you've got access to. The next thing you want to do is select the rooms that you want. So for example you could select Student Handbook, Student Information, Student Union, maybe Work Experience, and then you want to select your course. These are our science courses here, and there's one there. So say you're on the level 3 course, you could select the level 3 course. Then you need to scroll all the way to the bottom and add rooms, add to favourite rooms. Just click on the icon there and then all your rooms will be saved up here. So there's the two new rooms there, Student Careers and Student Tutorials. Once you've saved the favourite rooms, you can click on to your area. The first screen you come to is a new screen. So here's some news from last year that we needed to access some work, or there might be a trip going on. All that news will be displayed there for you. If you need to access files for a unit, or you need some help on referencing, you need to click on Resource Files. Resource Files has got all the units and all of the student information for your course. So we've got timetables, referencing, UCAS, maths course, and then all the units underneath, fundamentals, scientific principles. Any course that you're on, all the notes will be stored in there. Your teacher might ask you to go onto one of these units and say, well, I want you to access sheet number 2, or for example go on to unit 3 like I've just clicked in there and go on to assessment sheets. You just click your way through, and then there's all the assessment sheets. Once you've got to this assessment sheet here, say I've said download assignment part 2A, you just click on it and you've got a choice now. You can open it or save it. So you could save it to a memory stick, or you could just open it. If you're in class and you're just clicking open, you just have to wait for it to download. Now it does take 2 or 3 minutes to download depending on how many people are on the network, so we'll just wait and see. There we go. And then there's your file for you to edit or to use during the class time. So that's how you access a sheet. Another option you might be getting given is, I want you to hand in some work on Fronter. In that case you go to this icon here, the hand in file. Click on the hand in file. Now the tutor will say, I want you to hand in on a particular type of file. So it might say, I want you to hand it in on the unit 4. So you would scroll down until you find the correct unit. There we go, next unit 4 assignment. We click on that and you'd be faced with this screen. Now you wouldn't see this information of other students, it's just showing me because I'm the tutor. But you would be faced with this type of interface and you'd want to click on upload a file. So you click on upload a file, and then once you get to this screen here, if you're going to upload more than one file, you click on multiple files. If it's just a single file, you click browse, and then you'd select your file if it was in your documents or desktop. I'm just going to show you this one, report writing guide. So click on it, click open, and then click save. and now this is going to upload it from my computer onto Fronter. There it is, Report Writing Guide 1, because I've already uploaded it once, and it tells you the time and the date when you've uploaded it, which is pretty good. Now, you only see your work and you don't see anyone else's work, so no one can download your work. It's perfectly secure. And that's a little introduction to Fronter. Thanks.